Hi everyone, we now in the car with Georgi. Today we travel. Yes, we travel to the, it's not so far, to Clark, CDC Park. Georgi said need jogging today, good weather. We already jogging in Walking Street. He said it's not comfortable jogging in the Fields Avenue. Smell not good, urine so many, dust. But he live here because so many billiard here. Georgi, yes. What you say, Georgi, about Fields Avenue? Do you like? Okay, he said yes. Okay, guys. So we use now Fields Avenue to the Clark. A Clark today music festival. Music festival 2 days. That's why after jogging in the CDC Park, I won't come back, of course. And many people maybe in Fields Avenue in the Walking Street, forbidden Walking Street. Forbidden now, but we don't know in the future. Okay, see you in the Clark already. Okay, American Legion. Empty, away people from Legion. But in the bar you see, people sit in the bar. А вот we only sit, not interesting, need to do it something. Maybe they tired, that's why they sit and drink. Also very popular this. Very popular. Okay. Urine here. Georgi, I say correct, urine? Yes. Georgi said yes. My English not good. Georgi can speak English more better. Laundry, Albasio restaurant, and the turning left. Of course left, because left side is already Clark. Okay, they give way, good. Thank you. Saturday, empty road. Empty. Hotel Eurasia. Oh, this is good hotel. I already filming in this hotel. Madison Crown Hotel. Maybe already have tourists inside, I don't know. Or maybe not. Oh, Petron gas station. With expensive diesel and gas. Expensive, really. In Mabalacat cheaper. So guys who use car, better go to Mabalacat. Mabalacat cheaper, diesel cheaper, gas. And we already in Perimeter Road. Take a look. Perimeter Road, very popular street, very popular. There's bars. Don't have girls inside, outside, only guys. Garfield. What Garfield sit outside? This is new bar, new, open, and one woman sit outside. We already in the Clark, it's here cafe, traffic of course, so we will find parking and we will walk and show to you around CDC Park. Take a look, so many cars. Maybe, I think many people also. Near 7-Eleven, full parking. But we're going to CDC Corporate Center. Because I know it's office of CDC, it's a big parking space. give way. Need follow rules always. This is Andante. Andante, new. Okay, go. Park, so we will walk in this park now. And left. It's already CDC park. Office. This is left side is office of CDC park. I park already car and we go into Andante cafe with Georgi. He want to drink coffee. This building is also inside post office. Office of President in third floor. And bus stop also. CDC boss. You see how to use card, how to know beep card. If you don't have beep card, you can download application. You can scan App Store, Google Play. So if you download application, you can add money, you can add card. Georgi did you already download?
Yes.
But you never tried to use bus. You can try. So not need to buy card. You just only download application, add money, and you can use bus to CDC park. This is also parking, but always full. Some people already come back from park to the home. Clark is very good place. Take a look how many people in the park again. Saturday. Later. First we go into Andante. Georgi want to drink coffee. So many people. That's why government in the Philippines want to same do it in the, if change walking street to the same public street to the without bars. Coffee. Cartiero. Coffee shop. Georgi want to see how much coffee. Also new potato. Where potato corner. Where is coffee shop? Coffee shop where? Maybe outside. Coffee shop. Inside here. Okay, thank you. I don't know, ask inside. I don't know where coffee. Coffee. Coffee outside. Another door.
This way.
Okay, thank you. This one, see. Upstairs, this way. And smell coffee, Georgi, smell coffee. Smell coffee here. Oh, good. Aircon here. Yes, it's real coffee. Coffee Clark. Меню. But for me, Georgi cold here. For me, cold. You want to buy coffee? Yes, you take picture and if you want, maybe come back. Maybe outside can sit. It's coffee. Coffee machine. Okay, let's go to Andante. If you want, you come back, it's okay. Andante. We're going to Andante. But here smell coffee. Keep door closed, of course. Georgi, keep door closed. Soft open. Yes, can sit also outside. But inside, for me cold. Andante. You see, not so many people inside.
Yes.
It's good. Maybe close. Okay, we can check. Security don't have. Oh, have people. Okay, I will show to you what they have. Cinnamon roll. Cheesecake, of course, cheesecake. I don't know, don't have price. I like this one, but sweet I don't want right now. Apple pie. I don't know. It's not good if don't have price, so need to check. Ah, cannot see. Oh, wait, I take my phone and take picture. Take picture. Zoom. Yeah. Okay, I will add this video. Wi-Fi. Oh, menu. This is menu. Hello, hello. Good evening. My friend want coffee. Georgi, coffee. Price. He speak in Russian language. If he speak in Russian language, it means he don't know. Okay, you choose. Yeah, comfortable here. Very good. You can sit here. So many chairs. Yeah, nice place. Yeah, good. Georgi don't know he want to buy or not. So what do you think? Don't want coffee already?
Let's go.
Another? Do you like? Okay, up to you.
Cheaper.
Ah, okay, okay. And we can sit outside, Georgi, because inside I don't want.
Americano 100, Americano 200.
Aha, you can buy two
Yeah.
Americano in another. Georgi, maybe different quality. Do you check? You check, okay. Because sometimes if cheaper, maybe quality different. Maybe size.
Same size.
Same size?
12 ounces.
Ah. But here comfortable seat. Andante, here don't have space for seat. You can buy only and sit outside. I don't know, somewhere. I don't know where I can sit here. I will check where. I don't have. It's parking only for motor. Yes, you cannot sit. You cannot sit outside. This way, keep door closed. I also go inside later. Potato corner, first floor. Cartero coffee, second floor. Okay. Cartero. But aircon, I don't want aircon. Also don't have space here. I have. You already bought? Aircon, I don't want sit. Cold for me. No, I don't want. Maybe I will go outside. Okay. Yeah, because aircon I don't want. Georgi, take coffee. Cartero. So this coffee is 100 peso.
Yes.
You try and you say good. How about coffee? Very hot maybe. Good?
Maybe strong.
Strong coffee. Strong coffee also good for you maybe. Many people here also. Georgi finished drink coffee and we're going to jogging to park, CDC park. This way. In the Clark, good in pedestrian line, they give way. This way go. Take a look in the park, so many people.
Yeah, Maddie. What happened? Where's your bike?
Prepare for Valentine's Day already. Take a look, Georgi, from cafe here. This cafe here, you see. So it's a sponsor maybe, cafe here. Every cafe here. So government want to do same in the walking street. Same street foods, the same. What you think, Georgi? Good idea.
No, not good.
Maybe for local people, for Filipino who live here, it's good idea. They can go inside. Now they not go. Takoyaki, samgyeopsal. Pig skin popular in the Philippines. Christmas tree until now, middle of January.
Valentine Day,
Uh-huh.
1 month before Valentine Day.
But we already prepare for Valentine's Day.
Yes.
We're going to home now. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.